Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to be repotting this larch that I bought from Xavier's Bonsai retreat probably 18 months to 2 years ago now. I did a short probably 2 or 3 weeks ago of me taking all the wire off because it had been on for quite a while. I didn't really hold out much hope for this, but I'll bring you in a minute and you'll be able to see the buds are starting to swell and to change colour, which means it's the perfect time to repot it. So I will set you up and we'll crack on. Right, so the first thing I need to do is to get it out of the pot and check the roots. Okay, I don't see any white, are there? Maybe some white roots, I don't know, we'll have a look. So there we are. I've teased away all of the old soil. Plenty of roots on there, but I think maybe they sat in moisture and damp for too long over the winter because it didn't really do that much. Last year there was like 2 extending shoots on it, one here and another one down here, I think. So I'm going to put it in some KZN number 2 and hope that it kind of gives it a bit of a boost this spring. So there we are, there's Xavier's larch, completely repotted into its new training pot. Hopefully this spring it will boost and we'll have more extending shoots on it. I think the only thing left to do is just to maybe chop this top one back. I don't know actually. Yeah, I'll chop it back. There we go. And yeah, we'll see how it goes in the spring. And fingers crossed it does well. So I hope you enjoyed that. Thanks for watching. As always, don't forget to give me a like, sub and a share, and I will catch you in the next one. Also, feel free to go and check out the merch store, link in the description. Thanks again.